Hey guys, welcome to an episode of GB's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fit wiper blades, in particular on my 2019 Alfa Giulia. I'm going to be using Bosch Icon blades, and for those of you wanting to use the same blades, first off, you can see there are different lengths. That is correct. One side is longer than the other side. The driver's side typically has the longer blade, and then the passenger has the shorter blade. So the longer blade for the Alfa Giulia, you're looking for a 240E, and the shorter blade is the 180E. All right, so that just actually is the length, 18 and 24. That's what the numbers mean. So let's get started. Okay, so I've gone and opened the packaging. I didn't think you needed to watch me do that. And what we get is the wiper blade and a plastic sleeve, as well as a little Ziploc bag with the 2 additional clips. Now, it's not like you need to buy a special wiper for your car. These wipers, there's typically 3 different types of connectors you will find on cars, and you need to determine which one is correct for you. There is 1 pre-fitted and 2 in the bag. Now, I know that the one I'm going to need is in the bag. It is the number 4. So if you are, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. If you are buying Bosch Icon wipers for your Giulia, you're going to have to swap out the connector that's on here for the number 4 that's in the bag. So let's go and do that quickly. Now all we do is we just grab it and we pull up. And that's it. And then we put this one on. Now take care that you notice there's an arrow there, and then there's an arrow on the clip, so you just want to make sure you put it in the right place, and these holes here and here line up. So there we go. Now we can go over to the window and replace the wiper. Okay, so what I've done here is I've lifted the wiper up into the service position, and I've put a towel on the windscreen. The reason being is once we remove the blade, we've got this metal arm that's left behind, and if for whatever reason you bump that and it flips back down, you risk cracking your windscreen. So just put a towel there just in case that happens. Okay, removing the wiper is pretty easy. You just push this tab here and you pull it out. There we go. On first glance, you will notice these two look very different, but they are the same. You can see they line up. Obviously they don't look exactly the same because Bosch doesn't make the OEM ones, but it will fit. So the installation is the reverse, and you just push. There we go, and it's locked in position. And there we go. One set of wipers done, or rather one side done. So with the passenger side, it's exactly the same. The only issue here is this cannot go up into the service position because it hits the hood here. So what we're going to do is take our towel, we're going to put it underneath the wiper, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to remove it, and then gently rest it down on the towel. We're going to grab our new blade. And see how much shorter it is. So remember, we want to take the number 4 clip out of the bag. We want to take the blade out. And we're going to remove this whole clip. Again, you're just going to put your finger under one side and give it a bit of a twist. There we go, it comes off. I put the number 4 on, again paying attention to the arrows. Okay, and slide it in. Done. And that was in real time, and I'm not even sure that took more than 2 minutes. There we go, wipers done. Thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.